Hello everybody, today we are going to learn about personal pronouns. If you are new for this channel, please subscribe this channel. Let us go to today's lesson. There are 7 the most common relative pronouns, so you must know them because in daily activity we are using them frequently, so you must know how we can use appropriate relative pronouns. Let us start from who. Who is relative pronouns which describes a person. So when we see example, this is a boy who is my friend. This is a boy who is my friend. The detailed grammar rule will be in the coming video. In this video just I will describe only the types of relative pronouns and their purpose, and only one example for each relative pronouns. The second one is which we use which for to describe things. Example, that is the park which has the fountain. The third one is that we can use that for person or things. This is the man that lives across the street. This is the example for relative pronouns. That the fourth one is whom also describe a person as object or as a sentence. Example, that is the doctor whom I want to speak to. The fifth one is whose is used to show the possession. That's the teacher whose book I borrowed. The sixth one is where, which is used to describe the place. That is the shop where I bought my dress. That is the shop where I bought my dress. The last one for our today's lesson is when. When is used to describe the time. Example, Christmas is a time when I see family. So as I told you before, the detailed rule for each relative pronouns may be included in the coming videos. So thank you for watching this video. See you.